Otter Wax, the undisputed champion of fabric wax, protects all your cotton and canvas outdoor gear, and it's the big brand, $23, where I paid $13 on the last batch, so this is almost double the cost. That other bar was slightly bigger, the TBTFW WTF wax. Check out my last video. Said I was going to compare it, so here it is. And that came open pretty easy. All I did was slide that out. And so it feels like someone already opened it. And there's no fancy covering. You've got a bit of a paper wrap. And interesting. So when I'm feeling this already, this actually feels softer. And I think it's a slightly lighter color than the TBTFW wax. Yeah, definitely I can compress it with my fingers. So this makes application is probably a lot easier and should be a little softer. So there's a crisp edge and I can push that in there no problem. Just denting it with my finger, it's starting to clump up. That's going to rub on easy. That's great. But let's have a sniff. A little different smell than the other one. So they're not the same. And I thought they were. They claim the same stuff. Probably both beeswax. I don't have any floral smells. Some beeswax has that. I'm just having a sniff at this. It reminds me of something from when I was a kid, but I can't put my finger on it. Maybe that's what crayon smells like. All right, let's wax it up and give it a try. You can rub it on. And that's really easy with a stiff part of your hat. I'm going to melt this down and brush it on. Take a good look. All the chunkies and cakiness. Did we just trash this hat? Or did we make it better? Now, I did ask my son to come out here and give me a little bit of help with the stress test. And I don't know what he's up to. There's a lot of snickering and weird stuff going on over here. Well, really not sure how that did get wet. But hey, seems to roll right off the hat. So that's what we're looking for. I found that the TBTFW wax did a better job on my Tilly, and that's a bigger hat. You decide which one's better for you, Otter wax or some off-brand TBTFW wax. You know, the WTF wax from my other video. You want to stick around, subscribe, hit like, because this was fun. I'm Jay, BlindGuy Urban Bushcraft. I hope you watch some more videos, and we're going to do a series on 3 different wax recipes. They're going to be a wax, all beeswax, with either mineral oil, which is pretty traditional. Gonna do lanolin. Hey, sheep have something going for them. We're gonna find out what. And then the jojoba, yoyoba, yohoba. Stay tuned.